Now let us go ahead and download Cloudera Quick Start VM from Cloudera website and then open it using VirtualBox so that we have Cloudera Quick Start VM set up on our Mac or PC. So in this case, the instructions are almost same whether you are using Windows or Mac. You just have to go to this link, which is nothing but cloudera.com/downloads. Let me open in a new tab. Okay, now it is being opened in new tab, and here you can see that there is a quick starts download now option. You can click on this and it will take to this page. You have to choose the VirtualBox here. If you have VMware or KVM, or if you want to use Docker image, you have to choose others. So I'm choosing VirtualBox because I already have VirtualBox and I want to create virtual machine using VirtualBox. Then I can click on get it now, and you have to fill this form, and then it will actually download the image for you onto your PC or Mac. So in my case, the download is already done. You just fill this form and then wait until the download is complete. It's pretty big file. After unzipping and uncompressing, it is almost like 5 GB, and hence it will take some time. So here I am going to downloads and then going to this Cloudera Quick Start VM folder, which is unzipped and untarred immediately as it is downloaded. I am double clicking on this, and then I am double clicking on this OBF file. If you have VirtualBox set up on your PC, it will automatically open using VirtualBox, and then you can increase the CPU. I want to use 4 CPUs, and then I want to use 10 GB RAM, which is nothing but 10,240 MB, approximately 10 GB. And then I am saying reinitialize the MAC address for all the network cards and then import. It will take some time for it to create this virtual machine using this OVF and VMDK file, which is being downloaded from cloudera.com website. Now you can see this virtual machine being created here, but it is in powered off state. You can double click on this and it will actually set up the virtual machine for you using the image which is being downloaded from cloudera.com website. Now the setup is done, and you can see that it automatically opened Firefox and it got into this quickstart.cloudera URL, which is nothing but a local web application. If you double click on this and if you zoom in a bit and also double click on this Firefox, you can see there are certain buttons here. You can actually go through this and it will actually take you to the material. That being said, you can see the link for Cloudera Manager. You can read through this. It says by default the Cloudera Quick Start VM runs Cloudera distribution including Apache Hadoop under Linux Service and Configuration Management. If you wish to migrate to Cloudera Manager, you must run one of the following commands. So to run Cloudera Manager, you have to have at least 8 GB RAM and 2 virtual CPUs allocated to this VM. Then only this will work. So you can minimize this, and you can see launch Cloudera Enterprise, which is nothing but a trial version for 60 days, or you can use launch Cloudera Express, which will facilitate you to connect to the Cloudera Manager. So we'll be running this one as we have 60 days trial period, and it will take care of restarting the CDH services on your VM. Once it is restarted, you should be able to access Cloudera Manager with all the services being registered into it. So let us wait until the services are stopped and started on this virtual machine. Now as the services are being started, you can see that it is actually taking us for the login page with respect to Cloudera Manager. You just give Cloudera as the username and Cloudera as password. You can say remember me and click on login, and you should be able to see the services here. I will walk you through this page so that you understand how to go through these services within this VM, and also to troubleshoot the issues in a quick tour of this VM as part of the next video.